and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video is not going to be a lengthy one. It's going to be short and to the point to get you guys out information. I will be bringing you guys another video of cars and everything else either today or tomorrow, but as of right now, I wanted to get this information out as quick as I could for everybody that's in the area. We've been posting on Facebook, Instagram. I've even posted on my community page on YouTube, but we want to get this information out. So as you know, as of a couple hours ago, Mustang Week Friday and Saturday events have been canceled due to the impending storms coming in. While myself, Pony 1992, and Gearhead 704 were hoping to be able to be back down in Myrtle Beach on Friday and Saturday after the storm passed and attend the Mustang Week events, we also knew that there was a chance that that might not happen. So we have been working with Fox Mustang Restoration and Mustang Owners Museum to bring you guys a Friday and Saturday event in the case that Mustang Week was canceled. I received the call a couple hours ago that everything was a go because Mustang Week was canceled. This is not something that we were going to do if Mustang Week was still in effect. We were actually going to go back down to Mustang Week. This was something that we were doing just in case. That's the reason we have not been pumping out information on it until we received the word that it was canceled. So what we're doing is we're calling it Stampede After the Storm. Pony actually came up with that, but it's Stampede After the Storm, and it will be Friday at the Mustang Owners Museum from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And then Saturday will be an open house and meet with Fox Mustang Restoration, and that event will be Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The location is to be announced. The reason being is because they do not believe their facility is big enough to house everybody, so they're working on a place to hold the event. They assured me that they will have a place locked in. As soon as I know, I will let you guys know. Look down in the comments. I'll probably post a sticky. Look on my Instagram. I'll post on there. So keep an eye out for that, guys. But guys, we have a Friday and Saturday event from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and I'm sure we'll have a night meet or something like that if anybody's interested, just to pop up somewhere just to have some fun, guys. But as of right now, that's what we're looking at. So guys, share this, get the word out, and let everybody know. We will also be at Mooresville Dragway Thursday night. We will be there. Gearhead 704, that's his local track that he runs at. If you don't watch him, go watch him. He's been running his car a little bit, trying to figure it out, trying to get better with it. We talked to him the other day and he was like, guys, come on down. And you know, because he knows, as you know, I love drag racing this thing, and I've got my drag wheels in the back of this car. I've got one in there and three in here, and you know, I was not going to come unprepared like I did at Streetcar Takeover. However, we will be there Thursday night, and then Friday we will have the event at Mustang Owners Museum. Saturday we will have the event, location to be announced, but Fox Mustang Restoration is putting that event on. It's going to be a blast, guys. If you're still in the area, anywhere around Charlotte, come out, hang out. We will be there, and I'm not sure who else will be there. I'm in talks with everybody right now, and we'll let you know everything as we know. Keep an eye out down in the comments. Like I said, keep an eye out on my Facebook page, Speed Addict 731. Keep an eye on my Instagram, Speed Addict 731. If you have any questions, hit me up on either one of those or email me at speedaddict731@gmail.com, or you can email pony1992@gmail.com. But guys, I appreciate everyone. Spread the word, and even though Mustang Week is canceled, let's still have some fun, guys. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.